Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. Today we want to teach you how you can remove background from a picture. So let me pick a picture of myself, and then from here let's paste. And then what we want to do, we want to remove the background of this picture in Coreldraw. And so basically we use this plane from here, and then you drag in from here on this angle. Let's double click on check and then check in a bit, and then we'll continue from here. We can let's start again so that we'll have a clear view of it. So right now you move slowly, you move, yes, and so you go close. This is the hair. You go close so that you don't miss it out so completely. Little by little, little by little. Yes, this is the hair region. So you go closer, readjust to see the hair clearly. Yes, you see. Let's go down a bit, and then this is the ear region. And by any chance you make any mistake and you want to readjust this image, or you want to go back, just press backspace from your keyboard. Backspace. For instance, here you want to go back, you can press backspace. You can see you can go back. So for the purpose of the class, let's continue from here. Let's go in. You're almost done. This is one shot. Let's go in. And then this is then double click. Then you are successfully move around the curve. So click here, round like this, then join here. Then let's undo this region. Select the image like this, then click on trim. You are successfully trim that part, then select your image like this. Then come to effects, come to blur, come to feather, and leave it on 2. Click on it. You see that it's not that too sharp. Ensure that there's a blend effect in between. So with this right now, you can start your design and give it. You can power click it, then power click, and then use your design like that. Thank you, and subscribe for more.